What's up guys, Teach the JFX, you know the story. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to trade Volatility 75 index. Please note, Volatility 75 index can be traded on derivative.com. So I'll just leave the links below in the description. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. Peace out. Yes, so this is VIX 75 index daily analysis update. So in this daily analysis update, we'll start by identifying the support and resistance levels on this synthetic. So support and resistance levels will actually help you understand market direction and market movement. Please note, support and resistance are also known as supply and demand zones. So these zones, mostly why we call them support and resistance or supply and demand zones is because they are observable areas on a forex chart. As you can see here, we've got our demand zone, so these are observable areas on a chart where price has approached many times in the past. So this is perhaps one of the most important aspects of forex trading. It's actually understanding supply and demand. The two terms will become your foundation as you begin to build your arsenal of trading strategy. So such as pin bar and inside bar. While certain topics in the world of forex may be optional, depending on your style of trading, you must know that your ability to identify areas of increased supply and demand zone can lead to a successful trading journey. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify these two terms, where areas of increased supply and demand zone form, as well as how to identify them. So to assist you in your journey, you must this strategy you must be consistent, because once you're consistent with this strategy, you'll also be consistent on your profit. So this is one of the best strategies that I have come across with, and it's very good and reliable. So make sure you watch this video up to the end, so I can break the videos down for you from a daily analysis to 4 hours and 1 hour analysis. So I would like to simplify the explanation of what supply and demand is. So I would like to start with a simple definition first. This definition is so simple in the fact that one word can be used to describe each term. So supply is actually selling. So this means we are selling at the resistance, which is the supply zone. And then demand is us buying at the demand zone, which is a support zone. So once you understand these two, your trading journey will be more simpler, and you will get to understand things in a most simplest way. Don't rush in trying to figure out what is the most solid analysis you can use as a beginner. So this is one of the strategies that can actually help you, either you're a beginner, a semi-trader, or a pro trader. This can actually help your trading journey in understanding where to sell and where to buy. So if we say we are selling at the supply zone, then we are selling at the resistance zone. So we are 80 to 90% guarantee of market respecting that zone. So when we are buying at the demand zone, which is our support zone, we are also 80% to 90% of market actually going in our direction, which is going in our favor. So make sure you actually understand these zones, and you must respect these zones, because the market respects this zone, these zones so well. Make sure you follow this strategy. Be consistent, do the trading, analyze more often, work out on your charts more often, so you can actually understand and figure out this analysis. And remember, it's not as simple as it may look, but that's the general idea. Like an area of increased supply refers to an area of increased selling pressure. So this selling pressure causes the market price to fall. So as you can see, if you look at the resistance there or on the top of our charts, every time market touches the resistance area, we can see we're expecting market to drop. So we're expecting price to fall. So every time market touched the resistance area, which is actually the supply zone, market was we're expecting the price to fall. So this will also happen to the support zone. Once market touches the support zone, which is our demand zone, we're expecting to buy, which is price to rise. So these again are one of the things that you should actually put in mind when you're using this strategy on your charts. And remember, this is a daily analysis this is a daily analysis on VIX 75. So it can be very good for people that are looking to swing trade on VIX 75. So and again, remember, this strategy doesn't work for VIX 75 only. It does work for currency pairs, it does work for indices, and it does work for synthetics as well, which is what we're looking at right now. So now we're actually looking at the 4 hours time frame, which is VIX 75 H4. So the most effective ways to go about translating the concept of supply and demand into actionable areas on your charts, just take a look at how I'm actually identifying the levels of supply and demand. So we can call this support and resistance levels as well. Like I said, I've said before in my past videos and in the beginning of the video. So these areas are levels that form on your charts from which you want to look for buying and selling opportunities. So traders feel the market is overpriced and are therefore more willing to sell at these prices, which is the resistance, which is also known as the supply zone. You know, as market dynamics are constantly changing, a level that was once viewed as overpriced is now viewed as a bargain. Therefore, traders are more willing to buy at these prices. So what I mean by this is you actually get to buy at the demand zone, and you actually get to sell at the supply zone. But if the supply zone, which is the resistance, if the resistance is broken, it actually becomes a demand zone. So you should wait for market to actually break the resistance level and retest at the level so you can actually enter for a buy. If you look at this video right now, I've actually identified my resistance level just right above the line. So if market breaks that line that I've put in, then we'll be actually considering to buy. If it doesn't break, then we'll be actually considering to sell. So the possibilities of this analysis is to actually buy, because as you can see, we still need to go further to actually reach our supply zone, which is our resistance zone. That's the area. So the basic of this whole video is to actually just help you and guide you on your trading journey. This is something that we are looking to work forward with the team as Distrade FX. So like I said, we are actually here to help you and simplify the terms of trading to you guys. So make sure if you like this video, please just give us a thumbs up. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram as well. Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can just type Mr. VIX and the Distrade FX logo will pop up. I will appreciate so much, because everything that we are doing actually right now at the moment, we are doing it for the people that are in the trading industries, which includes new traders, professional traders, and semi-traders. So this is actually a guideline to people that are looking on trading VIX 75, because not everybody knows VIX 75. A few people are familiar with VIX 75. So I'll just add the link I'll add the link below of the broker which you can actually get access to VIX 75. It will help you, just give you a good guidance to profit with us on VIX 75. So areas such as supply and demand zone above can be a great way to identify potential turning points in the market. The key levels like these are extremely adventurous for traders and are therefore considered as the foundation for any good forex trading strategy. Knowing how forex supply and demand play a role in market is extremely important to your trading success. It starts with understanding the concept, but the real value is knowing how to identify areas of value so you can begin capitalizing on them. So feel free to join our free Telegram group, which is t.me/digitalhfx.com. I'll also leave the link description in my bio, where you can actually just get access to all the free trading strategy that we share and the analysis that we share. This will also again help to guide you and understand what this whole video is actually all about. So I'll go right ahead and just discuss with you share the analysis, the 1 hour analysis, where I'll also discuss on how you can actually enter a trade and how you can actually set a stop loss on that trade that you've actually entered. So in the 4 hours, this is our expectation. We expect price to go to the resistance level that you've seen right in the video, right there, right above. So this is actually what we have, this is actually our expectations on VIX 75. So if price breaks the resistance level, then we are expecting price to go to the major resistance level that is right on the top. So make sure when you're trading these zones, you always put a stop loss all the time, because sometimes you don't want to have confidence in something that you definitely know that it is 80 to 90% accurate. So you must actually use a stop loss just to safeguard. And I've also used the Fibonacci just to actually give you guide as well, because if I use the Fibonacci in this video, it's telling me that right at the resistance it's 78.6, which is market turning points. So I'll explain more about the Fibonacci in our next video ahead, so you can actually get to understand how to actually use the Fibonacci. So we've actually placed our sell right above right at the resistance level. So this area of resistance can actually confirm a good sell once we see some bearish candles forming up. So we have to wait for market confirmation before actually placing a trade. So like I always say, make sure you label the charts. Make sure you label the time frame which you are actually doing your analysis at a certain period of time. So as you can see, this is a 4 hours analysis update, and I just want to label that just to indicate what time frame I'm actually looking at, because this will also help you build your confidence, knowing how good you're becoming in trading in different time frames. So make sure you actually do the same as well, and just follow a good guideline from your mentor, Mr. VIX 75. So now we're just beginning the H1 time frame, which is 1 hour analysis time frame. So if you still haven't figured out how to clean your charts, I'm just gonna quickly show you right through. So as you can see, I'm selecting black and white, and there we go, our charts are up and clean. So you can just keep pausing around the video so you can see what I did, just for a safe confirmation and guidelines. So as you can see, even in this video, my main concept is to start with the supply and demand zone, so which is the levels of support and resistance. So once I start with these levels of support and resistance, they will give you a proper guidelines as well. So as you can see, we've got levels of supply and demand. So like I said, this strategy is 80 to 90% accurate. Just look at what I meant by that. As you can see, that is our resistance level, and that is our support level. So we buy in at the support level. Once you buy at the support level, you can either exit at the resistance level, or you can swing trade it all the way around, depending with the time frame that you're actually looking at. So at this level, if I buy VIX75 at the support level, I'm still gonna buy as soon as it breaks the resistance level. So once it breaks the resistance level and retests that level, I'm still gonna buy at this zone, because now it's giving me more opportunities, and then my opportunities are good because I'm already in profit. So I don't really mind on how the losses will turn up, because if let's say I'm already I'm 70% in profit, and then I'll enter a trade which is gonna maybe lose 10% of that 70% that I'm making, I won't be shaken. So I just have to build my confidence in the trades that I'm swinging, together with the trades that I've just entered right above my broken resistance, which is supply zone. So make sure you follow this all the way up. As you can see, I keep making it simple, just making it detailed for you guys to see. That's a resistance level right there, and then that's a support level right there. So make sure every chance you get, you must make sure you label the charts. Once you label the charts, now that's when you can actually identify your support zone and your resistance zone. This will actually work out for you. That's a guarantee if you are really interested in knowing how to trade VIX75 or forex trading. So if this is your journey, and if this is your journey that you've taken, you're in good hands with Digital Edge FX. So once you start now learning all this, you will be you'll find it more easy to buy and sell when trading forex trading, or VIX75 more specifically. So in these zones, as you can see, every time market breaks the support, or every time market breaks the resistance, you actually buy. But you must wait for the candle to close right above the supply zone or resistance zone, and then wait for market to actually retest. So this strategy that I'm telling you right now, it's now it's taking us to 70 to 90% of the signal becoming correct, or the analysis working out in our favor. Because now you are buying at the break of a resistance level, which is a supply zone, instead of selling at this level. But it does work if you are swing trading VIX75 or any forex pair of your choice. So if you're swing trading, it actually gives you a guideline and helps you to actually understand where to buy and where to sell. So like I said, if you're already 70% in profit, and then you buy at the break of a resistance level, you are actually losing 10% of that 70%, which is giving you 60% advantage of you being in profit. Then that's a good trade to take. I can take that trade, and I can be able to sustain the losses that will be involved in the account. And then if I make profit, it will be in my own advantage of making lots of profit on VIX75. So right now, as you can see, we've got the double confirmation. So if market actually breaks our resistance, we'll be looking to buy. So once we buy, we'll definitely make profit, because it's going to be a very profitable trade. But like I always say, I would rather wait for market to retrace back at the support level for me to actually buy again, because I'm mostly comfortable when I have actually trades that I'm swinging already for me to initiate another trade. So this will actually help you understand again on how you can enter a trade. But from the looks of things, I'll just put the arrows to identify the outcomes of this market at the current price. So we've got double outcomes. So we've got an outcome whereby market can retrace back to our support level, or market can go even more further to our supply, which is our resistance level that I will actually identify in the video right above. So this is actually what happens when you're trading VIX75 while using these levels of supply and demand. So you become more profitable once you start using these levels to actually trade. And you'll be if you're a beginner or a new trader, make sure you actually buy at the support or supply levels, just for you to be safe and build up your account, so you can actually reach it to the ultimate traders, which are the pro traders. You need to understand where to buy and you need to understand where to sell. I hope this video has guided you in so many ways, and I hope you've learned one or two things. And if you like this video, like I said, please give us a thumbs up so we can actually continue and making and creating more and more content for you guys, so you can actually sit back and relax and just watch this video right up to the end. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out a thing. Peace out.